Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech, and guys, I'm right here right now. It's been a month since I started this journey with y'all, right in this spot right here. Yeah, there's the sex shop right there. If you haven't seen my original video from Frankie Tech, the first one I did a month ago, have a look at that. And I'm right here, guys, with another Street Tech video, and I'm looking at right here the Xiaomi Redmi 6. Now I'm gonna unbox this phone right now, and let's have a look right here. So let's start unboxing it. Let's start unboxing it right here. Let's start unboxing it. Whoa, we're gonna fall off the ledge here. Oh boy, there's a lot of stuff there. Let's unbox this phone right here, guys. So here it is, the Xiaomi Redmi 6. And let's start taking off the plastic right now. Whoa! Wait a second. What are you doing, Frankie Tech? Oh, Frankie Tech is not taking off the plastic because Frankie Tech is doing a giveaway, guys. That's right. This is a giveaway, guys, of the Xiaomi Redmi 6. And I've been waiting to do this, guys. It's on the 1 month anniversary since I kind of relaunched my channel. And I want to do this as a thank you to you guys out there in the YouTubes, all the people who have been supporting me thus far, you know, over the last month. It's been a thrill ride. It's been an amazing ride, and I've really appreciated all the wonderful support you guys have given me. So I'm going to show you guys this phone in more depth very soon, guys. But I want you guys to start getting ready because I'm going to be doing a giveaway of this phone very soon, and I'll be out with the details very soon of this Redmi 6. This is the running a MediaTek P22, and it is the 3 gigabyte, 32 gigabytes of storage version. And I can't wait to share this phone with one of you lucky guys out there. And we really take this as a token of my appreciation, guys, of my thank yous, of my real appreciation for you all supporting me over the past month. And I'm gonna do a full video coming up in the next couple hours, so stay tuned on the way you can join this giveaway of this Xiaomi Redmi 6 right here. And I mean, honestly, it's a really beautiful phone. I'm really liking it. And look at that, there's a dual camera on this phone. So probably one of the cheapest, one of the best budget kind of offerings with a dual camera that you can find right now. And I can just tell already that this phone is snappy, it's running beautifully, and it is a great, one of those great Xiaomi budget phones that Xiaomi does. So stay tuned, guys, for the giveaway news on this Xiaomi Redmi 6. And I'm hitting 1 month since I relaunched Frankie Tech tomorrow, guys. So from the bottom of my heart, guys, I really want to thank you so much for being a part of this experience for me. It's been a transformative month for me here on this channel, and I can't wait to keep sharing more and more kind of info on you know, on future phones, future Xiaomi phones, future you know, future other Chinese manufacturer phones, future, you name it, any other future phones. Nokia, I'm looking at the Nokia X6 coming up pretty soon. I've heard about the Nokia 7 Plus, and I can't wait to hear your guys' perspectives on what kind of phones you want to hear. Definitely look at the rest of my videos there. But honestly, guys, I really can't say any stronger. From the bottom of my heart, guys, I really appreciate all the support that you guys have given me. And get ready, guys, because I'm going to give the full details on this giveaway of the Xiaomi Redmi 6 coming up shortly. There it is, the Xiaomi Redmi 6 in all its entirety. Going to be giving away my first giveaway here on Frankie Tech, guys, so stay tuned. But I guess all that's left for me to say is this is Frankie Tech signing off. See you guys soon.